Hey friends, it's Lane with Crafty Life Mom. I am back again today with another craft DIY tutorial using items mainly from the Dollar Tree. And this tutorial today is all about how to etch glass using vinyl or scrap vinyl that you have lying around with your Cricut or Silhouette cutting machine. So I want to go ahead and just show you briefly what the two projects are that I did, and you can find the full tutorial on the blog. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to make two items from the Dollar Tree. So this is a glass beer stein mug, and it has been etched. And this is also a glass coffee mug, and it has been glass etched as well. And I'll just put that closer to the camera so that you can see the etching on the camera there. It says number 1 dad, so this would make a great gift for Father's Day. And then this is also a glass coffee mug that you can make. It just says shh, almost now you may speak, and that is a great tutorial or a great gift idea for someone who loves coffee. Both of these things came from the Dollar Tree, so they were just $1, and I used adhesive vinyl. Actually, I used some scrap vinyl that I had lying around, and then I purchased glass etch cream, which I will put down below where you can get the glass etching cream. But here's an example. It is called Armor Etch glass etch cream, and this is how you get the etching to show up on your project. So I'm going to flip the camera around and show you how you can do that, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so at this point you're going to want to load your adhesive into your craft cutting machine with your design, and make sure that you select adhesive vinyl as the cut material and allow your Cricut or Silhouette cutting machine to cut out the design. And I used a scrap piece of adhesive vinyl that I had for this, so you can see that the vinyl I have doesn't even fill my mat completely. Here you'll want to weed out your design, leaving the negative part of the design so that it becomes a stencil that you will then put on your glass item to apply the cream. Okay, once you have your design weeded, you're going to want to apply it to your glass object. I just used some simple transfer tape. You can see I have a scrap piece of Cricut transfer tape there in the corner, and I applied my adhesive vinyl template to my glass object. This is a mug that I'm doing. So once you have that, you'll want to open up your etching cream, and I use the paintbrush to apply a simple, generous amount of the etching cream to all of the areas of glass that are showing through the stencil part. And you'll want to make sure that you put an even amount. It is a little clumpy, so just be generous and work with it a little bit to move it around, but make sure it's even, and don't go over the edges of your actual stencil so you don't get it on any areas of the glass that you don't want to. Once you have it completely coated and all even in the areas that are to be etched, you'll want to put it aside to do its magic for about 5 to 10, maybe 15 minutes. Once it's rinsed, you'll want to remove your adhesive vinyl to reveal your glass etched design on your glass object. Okay, and here is another design I decided to do on a glass coffee mug. This is a glass coffee mug from the Dollar Tree, so you can pick one up for $1. And I'm just applying the design here with some transfer tape to the coffee mug, making sure that I have all of my lines lined up. This is a design that I created just being a busy mom. Decided to put shh. Almost there. Now you may speak. That's what the design says. Just thought it would be cute because sometimes as a busy mom, you just want to drink that first cup of coffee before there's any noise or anything going on in the house. So I did this. I just put on the etching cream like I did on my first project and made sure that I had a generous amount applied to all of the areas that are to be etched, making sure that I didn't go over the design or the vinyl pieces there so I didn't get it on the other parts of the glass. Set it to dry or to work its magic for about 15 minutes, and then I rinsed it off again in my sink and revealed the design that was etched underneath. Okay friends, so I hope that you found this tutorial easy to follow and that you have some ideas of things that you want to etch in glass for your own projects. If you have any questions, just leave a comment below or message me and I will be happy to help you work through it. One thing I wanted to mention was that if you liked any of the files that I used for my two projects, you can actually download them for free from the blog, from the resource library, and that is in SVG format so that you can use them with your Cricut or Silhouette cutting machine. Until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye.